Hi, this is Carla from Hailing Me, and today we're going to talk about one of the super useful features of the website, which is e-commerce. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough or like a general overview of the commerce settings, specifically how to add a payment provider on your Hailing Me page. So to do that, let's go to the integrations tab, and we can see the commerce settings here. So this is the commerce settings block, and in here we can add our payment provider. So as stated, add a supported payment provider to collect payments from visitors of your Hailing Me page. So if we have added our payment provider, we can now collect payments straight from social. So we can do donations or um, other monetary transactions. To add a payment provider, we can see a button right here, and then let's click this, and we can select our preferred payment provider. But as of the moment, there is only one payment provider available, which is Stripe. But our team at Hailing Me is already working with adding Square and PayPal as other options for your payment provider. But in the meantime, let's proceed with Stripe. So in here, we will connect our Stripe account. So to collect money from your sales, we need to connect our bank account via Stripe. And all transactions will incur payment processing as follows. There is a difference in the processing fees for pro accounts and starter accounts. And as we can see, pro accounts have lower payment processing fees than starter accounts. So it's always better if our Hailing Me page is on pro. And all fees include Stripe processing fees, so there are no hidden fees. To proceed, let's check this box saying that we agree to the Hailing.me terms and policies. Again, if you want to read it, you can click on it, and it will lead you to the terms and conditions as well as the policies of the of Hailing Me. And once we click this, we can now proceed to next. Afterwards, let us select our country and currency of the Stripe account. So for example, let's do Australia, AUD as the currency, and then click next. In here, we have an option to connect an existing Stripe account or to create a new Stripe account if you don't have one yet. So for example, we click on connecting an existing Stripe account. It will lead us to this screen, and it will just ask for our email and password to log in into our account. But if we click create a new Stripe account, it will show us this um, screen which says that we are now connected to Stripe, and we can now collect payments, tips, or donations. But as you can see right here, it says payments are currently disabled just because we have not yet we are not yet done setting up our Stripe account. To enable payments, we will follow the onboarding flow. So you can click on that, and it will again lead you to this screen, and it will ask for your email, password, and other basic information to set up your Stripe account. So let's just go back, and in here at the bottom, you can see your payment providers. You can add multiple payment providers, and you can also remove it by clicking this button which says delete. By doing this, we will remove the provider, and it will be permanently removed, and all associated commerce links will be deactivated. We can always add a new payment provider. So that's basically how we can connect Stripe or our bank account to Stripe and add it as our payment provider for our Hailing Me page. And I hope that was clear enough. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.